Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get an emergency landing in Cabin Crew Simulator. First, you need to understand the simulator's emergency protocols and familiarize yourself with the aircraft systems. Regular practice of standard operating procedures is crucial for success. Begin by identifying common emergency scenarios, such as engine failure or cabin depressurization, to prepare your response. This foundational knowledge will significantly improve your ability to handle critical situations effectively. Once an emergency is declared, listen carefully for cockpit announcements to understand the situation. Immediately assess the cabin for any immediate hazards, like smoke or fire, and begin initiating your emergency checklists. Effective coordination with your fellow cabin crew members is vital. Assign roles and responsibilities quickly. For example, one crew member might secure the galley while another prepares passengers for impact. Clear and concise communication with the flight deck is paramount throughout the emergency. Next, deliver calm and clear emergency briefings to your passengers, explaining the situation without causing panic. Instruct them on the correct brace positions and identify the nearest emergency exits. It is critical to ensure all cabin items, including trolleys and overhead bins, are secured properly to prevent injury during the landing. As the aircraft approaches landing, execute your brace commands firmly and clearly, ensuring all passengers are in position. Monitor cabin conditions closely during the landing for any new hazards. Once the aircraft has come to a complete stop, initiate evacuation procedures immediately and efficiently. Guide passengers safely away from the aircraft to a designated safe area, providing assistance to those who need it, such as children or elderly passengers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.